The Joe Malone Report with Joe Malone.
Two individuals who were fired from a retailer called Handy Dan went on to be the founders of Home Depot. Considered washed up at age 34, Frank Sinatra bounded back to become an entertainment icon. And just 10 years after being in leg braces as a result of polio, sprinter Wilma Rudolph won an Olympic gold medal. People bounce back every day, thanks to the power of the human spirit. Countries do the same. And America has a habit of overcoming adversity to emerge stronger than ever. We'll bounce back, but only when we return to our basics of less government, lower taxes, and more freedom. Then, innovation, entrepreneurship, economic growth, and jobs will flourish. That is the American way. I'm Joe Malone, and I approve this message. To join our team, go to joemalonecongress.com.
Paid for by Joe Malone for Congress.